sisters! Today we're going to be showing you how our mom does our hair. Yeah! And Mommy, how are you going to do our hair?
Okay, so first we're going to shampoo y'all's hair with the Shea Moisture Retention Shampoo. And then we're going to condition it with the Deep Moisturizing Conditioner. Okay, so are y'all ready to get started?
Yes!
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Okay, so I've already washed your hair.
And I'm
And
going
the first product I'm going to put in it is this aloe vera.
No, you have to say good.
Conditioner.
Yeah, good. You know too.
It's not a conditioner. It's aloe vera juice, and it's from Fruit of the Earth. And I always put this in their hair, both of theirs.
What? You put it
I
in
put it
my
in a spray bottle, and I just spray their hair.
You put it in my. Put it in my hair
Yes, I put it in your hair.
at a time. Oh yeah, you do.
A friend told me that's supposed to help with
Oh.
the length, make it grow. I can't really say it's helped with that, but it has made it easier to comb through their hair, and it's always a good refresher if I need it in between washes. Okay. Then the next thing I put in is the Shea Moisture Wash and Go.
I say that. I say that.
You say that?
Ew.
I don't.
I do.
This makes her curls last longer.
La, la, la.
So as I'm putting it in, I usually try and go through here and take out some of the tangles by hand, so it's not so hard to brush out.
Coming forward, coming forward. Go. Go. Coming forward, coming forward.
The third thing I like to put in Zion's hair is this no damage detangler. It really makes their hair slide, like the knots, makes their knots slide out.
Two?
Yeah.
I didn't want to use that.
Yeah, it
Can I see how it works?
It's creamy.
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 But it feels like strawberry.
It smells really good.
It feels like strawberry.
Mm-hmm. It smells like strawberries.
But it doesn't look like strawberry.
So after I apply that no tangler, I like to brush it after it. So I'm going to get my brush and brush it.
My pink pearl. And it always gets the thing doing. It always got hair in it.
This is a special curl brush that I found on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for y'all.
But
And it doesn't comb out their curls. It makes their curls really nice and just gets all the product in there.
And it makes my hair get in there.
Your hair get in there?
Yep. I want my hair to get in there. Got my hair too tangly.
Just want to look here, the key.
Now I
We don't want no accident here. I like to put in this Curl Friend by Cake Defining Curl Cream. This is a really good cream to define their curls.
Can I show it?
You want to hold it?
Yeah. Hold up. Can I show it?
It smells good, doesn't it? Does it smell like cake?
Tastes like lemon cake.
Lemon cake, yeah. It smells really good as well.
It felt like lemon cake.
But it really makes their curls like really stand out. You can see each individual curl after it dries.
Yeah. After it dries, then we're going to put conditioner in it.
No, we put conditioner in it before it dries, so that your curls really be bouncy and defined, right?
Conditioner before it dries. Mommy, I want to finish. Yeah. I want to finish.
Okay, and then the last product I like to put in to hold in the moisture is this Cream of Nature Pure Honey. It's a curl activator, and it keeps in the moisture, like holds it in really well.
Mommy, can I feel that thing too?
And their hair will last like this for a day or two before I have to refresh it.
Mommy, can I feel it?
You want to smell it?
Mmm.
Which one do you like the smell of it better?
I like
Oh, you gotta sit.
that I do. Yeah, I do.
So this is how it looks while it's wet. As you can tell, you can see the curls and it does kind of bounce. After, I usually let them air dry. So I tried the diffuser. They're not very good with the diffuser. They don't like to sit still. So I just usually let their hair air dry. Now we have Milana. Show your hair, girl.
It's wet.
Yeah, it's wet. Okay, so like Zion's, I like to put the aloe vera. And I just spray it on there and I'll massage it into their scalp. Spray their ends.
Good.
Good. Okay, then instead of the Make and Go wash, I usually put this high porosity leave-in conditioner in it. And this one does a lot better in her hair. It'll keep her moisture better. And her hair doesn't get so dry because her hair loves to just soak up anything I put in it. It just gets so frizzy and loses all its curl. So this one really does help with keeping the moisture for her, along with the other products. A little bit more. Okay. Then I like to put the No Damage Detangler again. Like I said, this really helps to get out all the knots and doesn't really hurt their head. I usually put it towards the middle of their head. That's where they have more of the tangles at. Then I'll go ahead and brush it out. And usually for Milana, I have to do it in sections. She has such long hair. As long as I can go almost anywhere with it and comb it out, but with Milana, I have to section it off. So after I brush it out, oh, it's one up there. I will put the Defining Curl Cream by Cake In. About that much. I just rake my fingers through her hair.
Like cake.
It does smell like cake. Sissy says it smells like lemon cake.
Ah! Like a lemon cupcake.
A lemon cupcake?
Yeah. Well, when no, I feel like I had a lemon cupcake before. Well, like a lemon muffin.
Lemon muffin?
Because it didn't have no frosting on it.
Oh yeah, that's probably lemon muffin for sure. Okay. And the last thing I like to put in is the Curl Activator by Cream of Nature. This is really good. Her hair loves honey. Honey products. It just loves it. That and coconut. Her hair gets the driest in the front part. So all right here, this just frizzes out. She has all her baby hairs just get all frizzy, turn dry. Her hair looks dark now, but it'll lighten up and just be frizzy all over. But especially near her baby hairs. So I have to make sure I definitely put some kind of product in the front. Like I said, with the aloe vera juice, I can spray it in between washes. And then I add the no detangling spray and then the Cream of Nature curl activator, and it'll make it go right back. And this should last for about almost 2 days. Hers maybe 1. Zion's will last about 2, maybe 3. Without having to be refreshened. Okay, so we're just gonna let their hair air dry and then we'll show you the end results.
Hey guys, our hair is finally dry. So this is how it looks like if you want to show it like this. In the back.
What do you know about your curls, Zion?
I know that my curls are very nice and soft.
And what about yours, Milana?
I know mine is as beautiful as a princess. Like and